How to do typewriter effect. To begin, I added a colored background and a text to my timeline, and I would like to create a typewriter effect. Use the pen tool and click, and then hold Shift and click to draw a line at the start of the text. Now with the selection tool, adjust the duration of the line to the text. With the line selected in timeline, go to Effect Controls and expand the shape, and uncheck the fill property and check the stroke, and set the width to 20. Then go to Effects panel and search for Linear Wipe. Drag and drop Linear Wipe effect into your text. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls. Now move the playhead at the start, and set Transition Completion to 100 and click on Stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set Transition Completion to 0 to create the second keyframe. To make the text wipe from left to right, set angle to -90. To speed up the transition, move the second keyframe closer to the first one. And now we have an animation for the text, and it's time to animate the line. First, select the line in timeline and go to Effect Controls. Then move the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Text Position to create a starting keyframe. Now select the text layer again and use this triangle to go to second keyframe. Then select the line again and drag position first value to the right until the line is after the text to create the second keyframe. Now we have it, but sometimes the text goes after the line and we have to fix it by adding more keyframes. First, drag this handle to zoom in timeline. Just move the playhead at the start, and use right arrow key to go forward one frame at a time and see if the text and line are moving accordingly or not. For example, here I just decrease position first value so the line attaches to the end of the text. And do this process for the entire length of transition. And now we have a nice transition, but I also like it if the line flickers sometime before and after transition. To do that, move the playhead at the start of the line, then drag its edge and increase it a little bit. Here, use Razor tool to add a cut, then use left arrow key 3 times and add another cut. And do this process, then remove other cuts until you have 3 cuts like me at the start. You can hold down the Alt key and drag these cuts to create more flicker effect at the beginning. 4 times is okay for me. Now move the playhead to where transition finishes and use Razor tool and add cuts with 3 frames distance. Now delete every other cut. And now our transition is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.